Hi, my name is Arjun Chaudhary and welcome to ENERGIZE, the tech revolution. In the previous episode, we had explored some use cases of generative AI in the energy sector. In this episode, we'll be exploring some more use cases of generative AI in the energy sector. Firstly, customer experience and engagement. Generative AI can be used to analyze customer data and then tailor communication and interaction based on customer individual preferences. For example, in the field of utilities, generative AI can be used to identify certain appliances which consume more energy than others, and then offer recommendations to customers of what appliance to use during certain times of the day, thereby lowering their energy consumption and bill costs essentially. This has the effect of improving customer loyalty, customer satisfaction, and lowering carbon footprint. Number two, supply chain optimization. Generative AI can be used to identify factors such as demand patterns, inventory levels, transportation costs, and identify optimal supply chain strategies. This has the effect of increasing efficiency and lowering costs. Number three, safety and compliance. Generative AI can be used to analyze data from sensors and identify hazards even before they happen and thereby alerting the operators. Additionally, generative AI can be used to analyze data from emission sources and see if corrective action needs to be taken such that the emission source does not go into non-compliance, thereby preventing sort of penalties from regulators. Number four, innovation and research. Generative AI can be used in the field of material discovery where various materials are simulated under different conditions and factors to identify the optimal material for a specific process. For example, generative AI can be used to identify the best catalyst for an energy conversion process. And number five, workforce management. Generative AI can be used for optimal scheduling of workforces, thereby optimizing resources and minimizing labor costs. Additionally, generative AI can be used to analyze individual employee performance data and specific job requirements to tailor specific training programs for them. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Part 2 and the final part of generative AI use cases in the energy sector. Starting next week, the ENERGIZE podcast will be featuring special guests on the show, essentially technology leaders who would be sharing their subject matter expertise. So I'm quite excited to showcase my special guests on the show, so stay tuned. And remember, you're one product away from transformation. I'm Arjun Chaudhary.